If you want to quickly improve your English in just 10 minutes a day or less, then learn how to use the power of adverbs. In this video, you will learn how to use what are arguably among the most powerful adverbs in English. Oh, by the way, the word arguably is an adverb. Hang on, your lesson begins in less than 10 seconds. Why are we focusing on adverbs in this series? Well, here's why. Using an adverb correctly will help you give your listener more useful information about whatever it is you're talking about. Okay, then, let's begin our adverb series. Of the 5 adverbs we're talking about in this video, adverb number 1 is an absolute attention grabber. Using this word correctly will get your listeners' full attention. Now, if your objective is to impress your listener, then you'll want to master the usage of adverb number 5. But wait, before you jump over to adverb number 5, let's begin with adverb number 1, suddenly. This is the adverb to use when you want to tell someone about a quick and unexpected change in something. Here's an example that shows how powerful a message becomes when we use the adverb suddenly. Now, first let's use the sentence without the adverb suddenly. After drinking your vegetable juice, I had the energy to continue studying. Now let's use the adverb suddenly in this same sentence. After drinking your vegetable juice, I suddenly had the energy to continue studying. Using the adverb suddenly in the second sentence makes the vegetable juice sound like a really great source of energy. Let's do some role playing to experience the power of suddenly. I'll play Bob. This is me, and this is you. I'll start each exercise by saying something first. When you reply to me, make sure you add the word suddenly. Exercise 1. Jack was wondering what happened to you. Why did you leave the party so early? Exercise 2. What was everyone so excited about last night? Exercise 3. If you say yes right now, I'll sell you this car at half my asking price. Great job at using the word suddenly in our exercises. Now, if you liked adverb number 1, wait till you get to adverb number 5. That's an adverb that will make you or someone else sound really good. But first, let's get to adverb number 2. Adverb number 2, effectively. This is the adverb to use if you want to describe something that's done the way it's expected to be done and completed. Here's an example that shows how powerful a message becomes when we use the adverb effectively. First, we'll use the sentence without the adverb effectively. He coached his team before the game. Now let's use the same sentence, but this time we're putting in the word effectively. He coached his team effectively before the game. By using effectively, the second sentence makes the coach sound like he did a really good job at preparing his team for the game. Now let's get you to practice using the adverb effectively in your communication. Let's do some role playing to experience the power of effectively. I'll play Bob again. I'll start each sentence by saying something first. When you reply to me, make sure you add the word effectively. Exercise 1. Our boss just gave us a really big task. Do you think we can complete it on time? Exercise 2. Do you think Carl is ready for his job interview tomorrow? Exercise 3. Why was Jack released from the hospital a week earlier than we expected? Now let's move on to adverb number 3. Adverb number 3, significantly. This is the adverb to use if you want to emphasize how important something is. Here's an example that shows how important something is when we use the adverb significantly. First, let's use the sentence without the adverb significantly. Your health can be improved with the right diet. Now, using the same sentence, let's use the adverb significantly. Your health can be improved significantly with the right diet. By using the adverb significantly, the second sentence makes having the right diet sound even more important in improving one's health. Now let's get you to practice using the adverb significantly in your communication. Let's do some role-playing to experience the power of significantly. Again, I'll play Bob. I'll start each exercise by saying something first. When you reply to me, make sure you add the word significantly. Exercise 1. Why is Kathy's business suddenly more profitable this year? Exercise 2. Why does Linda earn a bigger salary than Mark? Exercise 3. Why have you decided to postpone looking for a house to buy for your family? Well done. Now it's time for adverb number 4. Adverb number 4, strongly. This is the adverb to use if you want to describe something that's done powerfully or forcefully. Here's an example that describes something that is done powerfully or forcefully using the adverb strongly. Now, first we'll use a sentence without the adverb strongly. I suggest that you see a doctor about your health. Now let's use the adverb strongly in the same sentence. I strongly suggest that you see a doctor about your health. By using the adverb strongly, the second sentence more powerfully emphasizes the need to see a doctor. Now let's get you to practice using the adverb strongly in your communication. Let's do some role-playing to experience the power of strongly. Again, I'll play Bob. I'll start each exercise by saying something first. When you reply to me, make sure to add the word strongly. Exercise 1. I want to start an online business, but I have no idea where to start. Exercise 2. How have you been able to stick to your diet while everyone else has given up? Exercise 3. Do you think we can count on Rick to invest in this business? Awesome! Now that you've finished the exercises on the use of the adverb strongly, let's move on to the adverb that can impress your listener. Are you ready for adverb number 5? Adverb number 5, successfully. This is the adverb to use if you want to describe something that ends up having the outcome you desired. Here's an example that shows the power of the adverb successfully. First, we'll use a sentence without the word successfully. Dan finished the race. Now, using that same sentence, let's add the word successfully. Dan successfully finished the race. Now, by using the adverb successfully, the second sentence makes Dan sound like a winner. Now let's get you to practice using the adverb successfully in your communication. Let's do some role-playing to experience the power of successfully. Again, I'll play Bob. I'll start each exercise by saying something first. When you reply to me, make sure to add the word successfully. Exercise 1. Do you know if Matt passed his exam? Exercise 2. Do you think Sally will be able to walk without pain again? Exercise 3. Why do you think you'll get a huge raise this year? There you have it. The 5 adverbs that will help you become a more powerful communicator in English once you start using them correctly. Now let's do a quick recap of the adverbs we covered in this video. Adverb number 1, suddenly. Adverb number 2, effectively. Adverb number 3, significantly. Adverb number 4, strongly. Adverb number 5, successfully. Now, which of these 5 adverbs is your favorite? Just send me your comment after this video. I'd really love to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be available for you. Okay then, have yourself a great day and God bless.